Schwabangin sedang ya ke kubor, ni Kyrpad ipi ki nongpet, ban subscribe ya ke ni ke channel, ban klik ya notification bell, bapin yo ki kubor na ke jela.
Kakong Ampareen Lyngdoh mentakasi ke hynrei tarik jymmang kala leit iakynduh ya Bah Ardent bat Kyrpad ya ban Wan Sha Miej ke Jingiakren bat ban Sangeh no ke Jingshah Thngan hynrei nak liang je Bah Ardent ulah kyntait ban Sangeh katba ke sorkar kampat mynjur ki jingdawa jong ke VPP.
Jangan.
I think class itu, dia ada assembly dengan Wan Sha, commotion kalau apa kain dong alis ila social problem, Jingiakren, laho nak party, and all party meeting yang pada Jingiakren di roster for us we don't need to discuss about roster, we know what is roster. They don't come, tolong Pak, strictly we want to discuss on this issue. Katahi kita lagi kuat ini tolong madam review the resolution dan put on hold the roster because the roster is just a system to ensure that the policy is strictly followed. So we don't need an explanation about roster. Believe him, Suko. Very clear. We want to review the reception policy. Review the reception policy. If the government agrees, once the government is ready to discuss on that subject to review, then in Meghalaya, first thing you'll have trend at least the ratio should have been proportional of population structure.
I will look at all your
Yes. The government was it has to be optional.
I'm worried.
It has to be
You're
optional.
wasting on a budget.
It has to be optional. Government will write, then we will decide as a party what we will do.
What do you want me to write? When I have come in
No. Better you will write. I cannot simply take it like this. No? Optional, it has to be optional. It
in
has to
what
be in black and
sense?
white.
That? What
Black
do you
and
want
white.
me to write?
It depends upon you, then. How the government writes to us. How
Then
the government
again,
looks
you
at
say,
this
oh,
agitation.
No.
I think the government must be aware. The government be optional. It
In
has to
what
be in black and
sense?
white.
That? What
Black
do you
and
want
white.
me to write?
It depends upon you, then. How the government writes to us. How
Then
the government
again, you
looks
say,
at this
oh,
agitation.
No.
I think the government must be aware. The government must be aware that our agitation is based on the failure of the government to accept, or demand to review the resolution policy. So how the government is going to review that? It depends upon the government. It depends upon the government. But at least what we have mentioned openly is that this policy should have been proportionate on population structure. That is number one. That is number one. For further details, then the committee or the government may decide. No, this committee is not on resolution policy. It's on roster. The government is trying to mislead.
Just take care of yourself. I've understood your mind now. I will talk to everyone. I've understood you. But I want you to keep safe.
Yeah. What I will continue. I will continue.
Why even
No.
We need you.
Yes,
You are a legislator. Come on. Surely there's nothing about himla about the song of course.
Yes. Which is why we want to discuss this issue on the floor of the house. In fact, we decided first. We sought to discuss this issue on the floor of the house. We didn't want to take this issue on the street, but now this issue is on the street. So everybody they are looking at us now. We just cannot simply. No. Even without numbers, the government should have a concern on the seriousness of the issue. Bila dah mentahkan sorkar the shooting number of it. But the issue keep along.
No.
This is not democracy.
private members, we have got
That is not democracy. That is not democracy. That is the rules. That is the rules and procedure of conduct of business in the house. So they are applying with rules, not with democracy. This is democracy.
That's the way the world is.
But
If
it should
you
have
one
been done
day
in.
get,
It should have been
one
done
day you have the
in a real
numbers, you will
democratic
also
way.
not allow any other political
We
party.
will discuss real issues.
Okay, we'll discuss.
If we are in the government, we will discuss real
No,
issues.
we will. I just come here.
Okay,
I'm
thank you
very
so much.
concerned.
I'm very grateful for your
I'm very
concern.
concerned.
Okay,
I want
I'm
to
very
keep
grateful
fit.
to you,
I want to
but we cannot decide individually. This is, you are coming
So
here.
you are saying now give it in writing. Now I don't know what you want in writing. So I will go back and I will find out what is this writing you want. I hope that even after that writing you should not be.
Our message is very reservation. Reservation is how you reserve. No, you don't understand what is reservation.
So that is why you make us understand.
Reservation is a policy where you reserve job for this class of people living in the state. That is reservation.
That is what the policy
Okay,
says.
so the ratio in the present reservation is 40% for the Garos and 40% for the Khasis and 20 for others, right? So we find that this policy is not okay in the sense that it is not proportionate in terms of population structure. We are more, the Khasis are more than Garos by 15%, by 19%. So
Khasi means what? So
Yeah.
many of them.
yeah, they are all included.
Everybody is
Hynrei
there.
Upanar. Don't try to divide.
I'm not
Don't
dividing.
try to divide.
I'm not dividing.
Don't
I'm
try
saying
to
let's
explain
not-
about the
let's
division.
not-
Don't try to
let's
bring
not
that
get
issue.
into that.
When we talk about Khasi, we all know that Khasi
I have
means
not come here to argue with you.
That is the definition of Khasi. So if you bring Jingdawa, if you bring Hoi, then there will be another
worried.
problem.
That is
No,
what I'm
why should you
worried.
worry? It's the politician who promote this division. We are
I'm
promoting
worried.
unity. We are promoting
What we'll
unity.
do now
We call
is-
for the unity of the people. We are going everywhere. Let us unite. Let us have a sense of understanding that we are one as a community. When we say Khasis, we mean we include Panar, we include War, we include Hoi. So let us
now
not bring that.
sit, let us talk about it. Let us discuss this in a proper manner.
I think
I have come here to tell you, but I'm worried. I don't want this.
So
It's
if
not
you are-
good for the
yeah.
state. Not
Don't
good
worry
for,
for
you,
me.
Not good for the state.
Don't
the
worry
state,
for
the
me.
state.
Okay. Worry
Not
for
good
the
for all of us.
youth of the state,
I'm very concerned.
youth of this region.
Very concerned.
Worry for the future of our youth.
I'm very
Worry for the
concerned
future of
for
the state.
you and for everyone.
Not for me.
For you
Not
and
for
for everyone.
I'm ready to sacrifice my life.
Okay.
I'm ready
Please,
to sacrifice
please
my
let
life.
us meet. Let us meet across the table. I come here to tell you, please, if possible, withdraw your strike. Come, let's work. For the good of the state.
No.
So come, Lele. No.
I
As you
don't-
wish. As you wish.
see,
I have come.
Yeah, okay, thank
I
you.
have come.
Yeah, thank you. But as I told, Jingiakren, we are ready to withdraw if the government decides to review the policy. And we are ready to go to the negotiating table with the government, to sit with the government if the agenda is on the reservation policy.
It is the reservation policy.
No, as of now, this committee that we are heading is on roster, please.
But
It's on roster.
I have come.
Yeah,
I have
okay.
done my duty.
Okay,
Please
thank
take
you.
care of yourself.
Yeah, okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Ina yo slow ngawan ban request si Arden ban withdraw ya ka strike ni namar ba ni kwa ban ya kren kami kampahan na takatang don ban o ngasuan ban request si ban smo ha ban withdraw no kaka agitation do namar bang idon kam ban ya kren lem da kating ya kren siya ingin ya boy sa binig sutu umla
Atau kalau belum mau ada kadingun suan man Kyrpad klaim mereka jingtho.
Tapi ini saya tak kena. Nga ngadai ke Emily, ngadai ke nong nong. Ngasno dan kamban wan ngalawan. Ngalale ela ka jong. Kajing hot ki isya kajing lang nin saya hot. Iwan tin lak ban ya keren.
Jadi message ke Kyrpad.
Kasi ni ngawan kum ka nong nong. Ngawan kum ka Emily. Ngadan kajing sausi kajing ba kulit lah. Ngadon tohok kawan. Berrequest ni. Mansuha withdraw ya ka agitation. Tangkat taki
Atau pinta apa naman ito boss ito sa pwede ba kanina ban yusong
nin
ha.
saya kan ya ka ay kapanjang nimla pa niya kren ba. Nga kermen bakan ben. Iwan ban pen ben.
Yung tap yuan first na.
Personal. Personal kung ganong song. Kung gawin, hindi ba try lang kung ba. Na-try kam doon problem ko tayo?